Good.
So what I'm doing here, I'm filling up this seed flat with ProMix HP. And this stuff is already moist from the rain.
Nice.
And ProMix HP basically consists of a lot of peat moss and perlite. High porosity HP, so that gives it a little bit more drainage. Great for starting seeds. So today we're going to start some Trachycarpus takil seeds that just came in from the UK. And it's a high elevation Trachycarpus species. It grows up to 8,200 foot in northeast facing slopes of the Himalayan mountains.
Nice.
So what we're going to do, we got the mixture in here. It's nice and moist. The reason I put this on after I'm done is to keep the frickin' mice out, because the mice are in the greenhouse sometimes. And
their little salad bar.
There's their salad bar. So here's a load of takil seeds.
Wow, look at those.
There are hundreds of seeds in here.
Nice.
We'll take them out and show you.
How to?
Take the dirty jacket off.
How to? April 3rd today?
Yeah, it is the 3rd today. So we're in our garden on the north end of Salt Spring Island, and Wendy and I collect palm trees. And this is a palm tree that we wanted for our collection. I do have other ones starting in the house, just a few, but not this many. Got that tied up pretty good there, Greg. Anyway, these came from my palm growing buddy Greg in the UK.
Huh.
So, here's the takil seeds.
Where in the UK is he from?
I forget the exact town.
Nice.
So you don't need to soak them or anything.
They look great.
Yeah, those are takil seeds. And these are a bare trunk Trachycarpus, like I say. They grow at very high elevations in the Himalayan mountains.
Nice. So you just sort of spread them around evenly.
Yeah, you spread them around real evenly, and then you just mix them in like this. No particular order. Fluff that stuff up a little bit there. Mix them in like rotor killing a garden, but you do it with your hands. We start thousands of palm seeds this way, and then we're going to put them in our greenhouse, and it's going to get stinking hot. So that's how you do it, folks. Put the dome on top, label it, and then they're good to go. And hopefully in several months they'll start to germinate.
And keep them lightly moist.
Yeah, keep them lightly moist, and make sure there's perforation in the bottom of the seed flat so they don't rot with moisture. There you go. Good to go. Takil are sowed.
Okay.
We'll keep you updated on that one, all right? Trachycarpus takil. All right. Thanks for watching.
Joe.